Hello kids, today we will learn colors name and how to write capital alphabets from A to Z. Dark pink color A. A for aeroplane. A for ambulance. Sky blue color B. B for bus. B for butter. Light green color C. C for crow. C for cloud. Brown color D. D for duck. D for dolphin. Yellow color E. E for eagle. E for envelope. Dark blue color F. F for fork. F for fruit. Light pink color G. G for goat. G for grapes. Sea green color H. H for home. H for hen. Orange color I. I for injection. I for ice cream. Purple color J. J for jacket. J for jam. Red color K. K for kid. K for key. Dark green color L. L for ladder. L for lemon. Dark pink color M. M for mushroom. M for monkey. Sky blue color N. N for 9. N for nest. Light green color O. O for ox. O for old. Brown color P. P for pencil. P for penguin. Yellow color Q. Q for question. Q for queen. Dark blue color R. R for rabbit. R for rat. Light pink color. S. S for spider. S for star. Sea green color. T. T for turtle. T for tree. Orange color. U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Purple color. V. V for vulture. V for van. Red color. W. W for well. W for watch. Dark green color. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Dark pink color. Y. Y for yam. Y for yak. Sky blue color. Z. Z for zip. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's revise again. Capital alphabets and colors name. Red color. A. Orange color. B. Yellow color. C. Light green color. D. Dark green color. E. Sky blue color. F. Purple color. G. Light green color. H. Red color. I. Orange color. J. Yellow color. K. Light green color. L. Dark green color. M. Sky blue color. N. Purple color. O. Light pink color. P. Red color. Q. Orange color. R. Yellow color. S. Light green color. T. Dark green color, U. Sky blue color, V. Purple color, W. Light pink color, X. Red color, Y. Orange color, Z.